Okay, going for seafoods for camping. Yan o, alin dyan? Alin isdaman?
Somewhere.
Ang ganda, mami.
Kanina ko pa nakikita.
Tatanim pa, ano?
Ang dami.
Irrigation to. Ay, dam. Sa right side.
Namumula po yung mountain. Smog.
Yeah, going to the mountain. There.
Smoggy day. It's a smoggy day.
We're going to camping, breakfast muna, famous Backminam. And this evening, going for camping. Wow, my lovely wife. Saan punta, mami?
Ako na yung
Nakonayok Park. Riverside.
yes,
River camping.
first ever camping.
First ever camping in
Thailand.
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 That's our breakfast for today before going to camp. Bakmina. Sarap. At the river. Ganda. River flowing all the way there. How is it, Mami? Nice? Nice. Ganda. Nice place. We're looking for location natin kung saan. Pwede ba sa ilalim ng puno, no?
Wala, hindi kami pinatapos mag-set up. Ayos. It's raining. Gulo pa po.
Inside the tent. What's that, Mami?
Lanson.
Lanzones, and we have bread. That's our mini pantry. Makalat pa doon, kaya pagpasensya na, hindi pa kami nag-aayos. Kain muna kami. But before that, tingnan nyo yung nasa harapan namin. Look at that! That's our view outside our tent. The river. Bukas na lang ako maliligo at naulan ngayon, malakas ang flow ng river all the way there. Okay? Sige, kain muna ako. Kain muna pala kami.
After 6 hours, it's our tent. Our neighboring tents.
Nap time muna. Tulugan muna, pahinga muna. Di pa tapos mag-setup. By the way guys, ito ang setup namin ngayon. Dalawang cot bed para medyo elevated siya sa floor. So far okay naman. Okay. Medyo relax. So dalawang cot bed yan. So, 1 and 2. So tigisa kami ni Mrs. All goods.
Kadkad mo lang. Kadkad mo lang.
Wala na.
Yung mismong butter, daddy. Oh, mausok. Ang saboy ng lamok.
Wala yan, sabit lang kasi beef yan, beef.
Wow.
Like that. Look at that, perfectly cooked steak. Okay. See? Okay. Coffee night. Drip coffee with bread. Still, look at the river still flowing. Kape tayo. Morning, Campingero. Day 2. Morning, Mami. Morning. Medyo mugtumata namin. Ako puyat. Medyo sandali ng sipon. Sobrang lamig dito sa aming campsite. Grabe. Yan nga naman, ganda. Ganda ng Agos ng dito. Mamaya doon may swimming site doon. Pwede maligo. Maligo tayo din. Okay. Morning, good morning, good morning. Breakfast muna, breakfast. Breakfast muna tayo. What's our breakfast for today, man?
Coffee,
Coffee and
bread.
bread or corned beef?
Pwede rin.
Ba, corned beef muna, corned beef. Para, kasi steak na kagabi, ngayon, beef din, corned beef. So, magpapatumba tayo na isang baka.
Sige.
Okay, sige, mamaya balikan namin kayo. Coffee po. Umaga. Okay. Brewed coffee. Black coffee tayo ngayon. Wow, black coffee. Okay, tayo muna kami. Wow. Just looking around. Yeah. Parang may view namin, no? Look at that. Ganda. Sarap ng tubig, ang lamig. Oh. steak for lunch. Kasi may beef steak and salmon. Beef butter. Curry. And we have here another broccoli and watermelon. Partner. Okay. Mukha lang sunog pero hindi yan sunog. Yan yung dry rub niya.
Yan, malaki yan.
Pero pala kayo nandyan ha. Isa. Yan, isa. Yan, isa. Yan, isa pa. Ito na makita. Ayun. Yan. Dalawang ahas. Merienda time. Instant cup noodles. Orange tangerine. Sa river pa rin. Kain muna kami ulit. Merienda. So breakfast for today. Coffee and bread. With the view of river. And the sun is shining. Yan. Pakap ka rin mamaya. Linis na. At wala nang ganong campers. Look at the view. Umaga, ganito ang mga view. Nice. The river is so calming. All the way. Okay. Kaya, likpit-likpit na ulit. Set natin. So guys, this is our last day. Going out na kami. We spent ilang nights? 2 nights and 3 days. So nag-check out na rin kami. Dito pala ito sa The Birds Camp sa Nakonayok Province. Country in Thailand.
3 days in
3 days in Thailand. Look at the view, our view. See mountains. Okay, mountains behind me, behind us. There's another mountain on that side. Doon kami nag-ano ka. Doon tayo nag-set up. Doon kami nag-set up. Okay. So, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, Tini. Look at that.
Malaking po yun. Yun. Kunyari nakangiti pero kinakabahan kami. Sa taas ba naman? Look at the our view. 360 view. Tindi ng kapit niya, mga kaibigan. Yung paa namin. Ari ko na. Pero ang ganda.